Now we got the suspension and K-frame out. We get these CV axles popped out of the transmission. Ease her back down on this wheel, and then take the mounts out. Set it back down on this, and raise her back up. The body will have the engine and transmission right where we need it. There's a big boy there. Damage control. Now we're trying to line our motor up here. We want it to sit there best we can. We just gotta take that nut out. And these, technically, I could take just this off. So that's just sitting there. Just the swinging. Got a fuel line, heater cord lines, shifter cable. Now this one, you take it off. It's not like it's going to drop. Normally don't. Normally, like this one, the transmission's sold, so we're trying to get it out on the delivery truck. So I'll just hit that with a hammer and it'll come loose. The stud will fall through. And that part of the mount down there, I'll take it off once the car goes up. And then on this side, you could take these out and it should go right up, not hit nothing. But I'll go ahead and probably take those out. And that way, everything will be good and clear. Give this a good smack with a mallet or hammer. And jar that stud loose. She'll stay on the wheel. We'll raise this body up. Put some sway bar mounts. We use those as hangers. Bolt one here and put one on this and put the nut back on it or something. Or see if the chain will fit through there maybe. Raise the lift up a little bit. We're clear. Got her free. This part of the core support bottom, I might probably take it off so